better.
And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
It is 6:42 on this Wednesday morning, and we're waking up to warm conditions outside, and it looks like it's going to be another above average heat day in the valley. So it is going to feel a lot like summer, but don't worry. A taste of fall is coming our way. It's in the form of a cold front that'll arrive sometime tomorrow, and with it, ahead of it actually, it could bring a few showers and thunderstorms, of which some of those rain showers could be heavy and provide gusty winds. So just be ready for that and have your rain gear ready to rock and roll for tomorrow. And this weekend, it looks like it all shapes up nicely. We'll have lower humidity and some pretty nice temperatures. So the showers only last for a little bit, but the temperatures outside right now, right around 82 degrees on the island, to the mid to upper 70s everywhere else. Talking about 74 in Edinburg, Raymondville, and Harlingen, 76 in Rio Grande City, Weslaco, and Brownsville, and 78 to start your day in McAllen. So if you're headed out this morning to get an early morning exercise routine in, just be sure to carry a little bit of extra water with you. That humidity remains high. It doesn't look like we have cooler temperatures until you get farther north. Look at that, Abilene, right around 69. 57 in Midland, 50 in Amarillo, 58 in El Paso. Everywhere below that is still in the mid to upper 70s, and the heat is on again today because what's going to happen is we're going to continue to pull in a lot of that warm, moist air from the Gulf, so it's going to be very humid in deep South Texas. But to the front is actually to our north right now, and it's stationary, so it's not moving just yet. It will begin to move, and then once it does, we'll be able to kind of get the timing down a little bit better as to when this front officially is going to arrive. But for now, we're keeping it late in the day. But future track in motion starting at 2 in the morning on Thursday. Could start to see a few coastal showers in the overnight hours. But then as we head into the first half of the day, it looks like you could see a few light rain showers along the coast, and then a little bit of that builds into the mid-valley later on in the afternoon. This is around 1 o'clock, but that could happen as early as 11 or 12. Notice that it could be a little bit of heavy rain at times. Gusty winds are also possible. This is 3 o'clock, still mid to lower valley. Upper valley, we can't rule out a shower or two for you as well. You'll see it pop up there ahead of this front when it starts knocking on the door late in the afternoon into the early evening. That's when you can start to see that rain. And again, and there could still be showers and a few thunderstorms even in the overnight hours as that front makes its way through, and then through the early morning hours. I'm talking about pre-dawn Friday morning. You could have that shower lingering, and then after that, beautiful weather. We continue to track the tropics. Here's the latest on what's going on. We have this area of low pressure here that you see just to the north and east of Puerto Rico, and what's happening with that is it does have the potential to develop into something tropical, but it's going to take a few days to do that. Around 80% chance over the next 5 days as we head into the weekend, and we could possibly have a next tropical system, but it looks like it's going to stay in the Atlantic. Still something to keep an eye out on for now. Looking at our coastal forecast, southeast winds at 8 to 13 knots for you boaters, a moderate chop on the bay with nearshore waters at 2 to 3 feet. Fishermen, high tide is at 9:05 tonight. So until then, really nothing big to deal with out there, and just the heat really. So drink lots of water while you're outdoors for any extended period of time. 96 is your daytime high. That'll range from 87 on the coast up to 100 in Rio Grande City. It's going to feel like the triple digits everywhere today because of that lower level humidity. Then overnight, partly cloudy and warm. I can't rule out a stray shower along the coast. 74 is your overnight low. Spotty showers and thunderstorms are in the forecast for tomorrow with a 50% chance for rain. High temperatures right around 90 degrees. Thursday night, look at that. We dipped down into the mid 60s. So there's that little change, and it really is apparent by Friday. We have a cooler day on tap, 79. And then look at Friday night football. Yeah, 55. So Thursday night football, a little bit damp out there, but Friday night, just a little bit cooler. But 55 is not until the early morning hours Saturday. And then we'll be right around 82 to start the weekend, 86 to wrap it up. We're in the mid to upper 60s by night as we head into next week. The mid to upper 80s and low 90s Monday and Tuesday with a shower possible. But it looks like the weekend is absolutely fabulous. That's your updated first.